Hi guys, it's me today, and we're going to be showing you I got my chickens. Yes, they're chickens. They are chickens. Chickens. Subscribe, guys. So they live in this home, the chicken coop. One of them called Goldie. Can't find them. I think they're somewhere in there. But we've got some blue eggs for her because we don't have a rooster. And without the rooster, you can't be quiet. You can't, the eggs won't hatch. So we brought some, well apparently you can get some eggs that have already been bred with a rooster, and Goldie is somewhere and she's sitting on them right now. Apparently she's been sitting on there for three weeks solid and has not moved. Hello. That box there has their food in, so they step on it, and that mechanism would bring the top up so they can eat in there. There's flies everywhere. We had to put concrete in the ground so foxes and badgers and stuff couldn't couldn't dig under and eat the chickens. Their eggs are lovely. I love eating the omelettes. Who doesn't love omelettes? Look, this is amazing. We have chickens. Chickens. They're so loud and attract flies. Hello, whatever your name is. What is it like being a chicken? Go on. A very good explanation, whatever your name is, chicken. In case you didn't catch that, he said it's very nice being a chicken and having all the eggs. We haven't told them that we keep eating them. Do you like the chickens, Toby?
Yeah, I'm just watching the flies right now. And now the chickens. Quite like the chickens.
Yeah.
But except they poo everywhere. Just like a splat of poo there.
We have to feed them mealworms, but luckily they aren't alive. I once had to feed meerkats live mealworms and I had to hold them in my hand. That's disgusting. These are dead mealworms. I like dead mealworms. Toby, open the door. The chickens will escape.
Okay.
We put a gate over there so they can't get out.
Okay, so we'll crowd it around.
So I'll help you.
They try and get out. Chicken escape everywhere. Chickens.
I'll open the hatch so you can see Goldie.
Where's Goldie?
Goldie's in the chicken coop.
Yeah, can we go see her? Hi, chickens. One of you is called Betty, right?
There's Goldie. Beside us, the eggs from the others that have
This
laid.
is Goldie, guys. Goldie.
Do you know?
Yep, she's
She's
sitting on the blue eggs right now. Oh,
They're
look,
the ones
there's
that just laid. They're the freshly laid
someone
ones.
just laid those eggs. They're very freshly laid.
Yep.
Ooh. There's the coop. Here's Goldie. Hi, Goldie. What's it like sitting on eggs for 3 weeks straight? You're on camera. You have to talk. Ah, sorry. Betty. And then what's your name? Goldie. That's sitting there. So this is the one that's been, oh wow, it's really gold hair. This is a freshly laid egg, probably not by Goldie. She's been.
Yep, this will be Betty's and Devon's and Arlu's and Guinevere's.
Whose egg is that?
That one, I think, is Daisy's.
Really?
Yeah, the white one. And the white chickens.
2 eggs, white eggs.
Yeah, slightly paler.
I like that omelette.
Yep. We've got a big egg for Toby. A big, huge egg.
Someone laid a huge egg and
Yeah.
Toby's going to get it because
Yeah.
it was Jack's
His
birthday.
birthday, yeah.
Yep. I'm gonna get it.
Cute guys.
So they should hatch soon. You'll be able to see them hatched.
She's talking a little bit.
They're little clucks. I'm going to close the lid because she gets upset with the lid open while she's sitting on the eggs. There we go. She might come out. She needs a drink. She's got some water and she needs it.
One day, guys, we're going to catch them hatching, maybe. Or we can see chicks. So, guys, coming up, we can get to meet the other chickens. This is Arlo. Hello, Arlo. So, guys, this is Betty, the black one right there, brown. He's like the awesomest. Hello, Betty. Which one is this? This is Daisy. That's Daisy. One of you is Arlo. I think. Oh yeah. Is that Mucky or Muddy? Hello, the chickens. In a second, I think we're going to feed them mealworms. We've just put the eggs in a pot.
Toby, can I see your egg?
We can see the monster egg, guys.
These are normal eggs.
Normal egg.
This is
Monster
Toby's
egg.
egg.
That is a monster egg.
Look at that. Did that come out of a chicken?
Monster egg.
It's like an ostrich egg. That's one big chicken egg.
It's a monster egg. Look at all the normal eggs.
Normal eggs are, there's a look. That's a normal egg.
Normal egg.
That's a Toby egg.
Toby egg. Toby egg.
I can't even get the box shut, look. Look, it just won't shut.
We're going to feed them the mealworms.
Yep.
And show you how to feed chickens mealworms. Let's just have a look at the chickens.
Right, got dishes each.
Look, they're all coming around. They know they're going to be fed.
See that?
Feed, feed, feed me. Feed, feed, feed
Somebody
me.
else's.
Toby, here. So guys, got mealworms. Mealworms. All the mealworms. So guys, first you take a little bit and spread it somewhere. Don't put them in the same place, just spread them around. Hey, she was picking at my butt. So throw it. They should come to eat.
Don't just leave them on the ground.
Hey guys, what's this?
And
Hi guys, your chickens. Guys, we feed them the mealworms. And another cool thing, you put your hand here with a few mealworms. They should do the peck in a sec. Guys, mealworms.
ow, ow. Hey guys, that hurts.
Oh yeah, I forgot about Goldie. These are the chickens.
It's got a catch on it, Toby. Toby, it's got a catch on it. This is the catch. That's it.
Subscribe and like this video, guys. We're over about 400 views now. I think some of you are forgetting to subscribe. So hi guys, subscribe for the chickens and subscribe again if you want to see some of the chicks.
When they're born in 3
Oh wait, you
days.
can't, you can only subscribe once. Click a like then. And in the comments below, tell me if we should eat them someday.
No!
Oh.
These are happy chickens. They're going to live until they're about 8 years old.
Can we eat them when they're 8 then? Well, why can't we eat them when they're 8? That's Sparks, guys. Ah. He hates me.
And she's going off.
Having dust spots, guys. Dust everywhere. Dust everywhere.
Funny, isn't it?
Yeah.
Get clean by rolling down in the dirt.
I like chickens in both ways. Taste and nature. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.